Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable one-handed mode on iPhone Air. To do this, you have to open Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility, open it, then scroll down to Touch menu in Physical and Motor category, then open it too, then switch this toggle to the right next to Reachability feature. And now next time you swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen, it will bring the top of the screen in your reachable area. So just do it like this, and now you can reach all the features on your iPhone with just one hand. To disable this feature, you have to go back to Touch and switch this toggle to the left. And that's how it works. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.